Hello, I'm Richard Lloyd. Welcome to the Richard Lloyd USA YouTube channel. Today I'm making a very special video. I've been deeply honored recently by YouTube. They've given me the 100,000 Silver Plaque Award for 100,000 subscribers, and I'm deeply touched and seriously honored by this award. It's one of the biggest honors of my life. I've had a few others, but this one's very high up there. It's in the top 3. Anyways, regardless, I'm really appreciative of YouTube sending me this award, and for YouTube, for everything they do for us YouTube creators. Also, I realize that this award would be impossible without you. Without your watching my videos, without you thanking me, without you liking my videos and subscribing to my channels, this would have never happened. So yes, I know I create the videos, but you watch them, and that's what makes it happen for me. So I want to thank you all for doing all those things, liking it, liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, commenting on them, and all the other things and other ways that you support me. I really appreciate your input in the comments section below the video, and you can do that here on this video as well. But seriously, I can't thank you enough for making this happen for me. My life has been transformed since I started making YouTube videos, and I'm seriously living the dream is basically what I'm doing right now. I'm very happy with my lifestyle. I'm very happy with YouTube and how everything is rolling on that. And I couldn't be more thankful or grateful for any of the things that transformed my life since I started doing YouTube videos and basically found my groove on YouTube. Now I plan to grow it even higher and bigger. The next award would be 1 million subscribers. I'm a little ways away from that at this point, about 107, 108,000 subscribers currently. Again, this video is to thank you for watching me, supporting me, liking my videos, commenting on them, and of course, subscribing to my channel. So let's unbox this. I want to show you what it looks like coming out of the box. And then I'll wrap it up and discuss how the process of getting this award happens. All right, so let's take it out of the box. So here's the shipping box that the award comes in. Let's open it up, see what's inside. You get a congratulatory letter. I'm going to zoom into that. So hopefully you can read that. It's a very nice congratulatory letter from the CEO of YouTube. And yeah, very happy to get that, and really touched by the sentiment and what it says. And again, happy to get the award as well. So let's take a look at the actual award. So there's the letter, a piece of foam, and then the award wrapped in plastic underneath. So there's the award wrapped in plastic underneath. Very hard to focus on silver, looks like, for my camera anyways, but let's see what we can do with it. There it is. And you can see the reflective mirror-like backing on the play button. Really nice. And here's the award outside its plastic wrapping in all its glory. And beautiful, simple design. The play button and some writing on it, and otherwise a silver backing with this mirror-like surface on the back. So basically, so you can see yourself when you're reading the actual plaque on it. So yeah, awesome design, very nice plaque, and it has some writing there on the bottom. I'll zoom into that for you next. And there's what it says: presented to Richard Lloyd for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And I couldn't be happier or more honored or touched by this award. I really am appreciative and thankful. Thank you all once again for subscribing to my channel, for commenting on my videos, and for liking them as well. I'm deeply honored, deeply touched, and quite proud to receive this award from YouTube and from you, really, because without 100,000 subscribers, I wouldn't have this. So once again, thank you very much for the honor of getting this award. Do me a favor and like this video if you liked it in the bottom right. Give me a thumbs up and a like. And also, if you want to put your comments below the video, please do so. At the end of this video, you'll see the usual subscription link, which is a picture of me. And if you click on the picture, you'll be subscribed to my channel. As part of that process, you will also be prompted with a bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and then you can watch it at your own leisure. Once again, and like always, I want to thank you for your time, for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos, as well as for your comments below. Thank you.